Okay, let's get started using EasyBib to create your Works Cited page for your argument essay. So I am looking for the EasyBib website. When I search for EasyBib, it comes up, easybib.com. And what I want to do is I want to click on Citation Generator. As I scroll down, it asks me to choose my source. Majority of us used our Chromebooks, and we found our sources online on a website. However, some of you may have used a book or journal, or possibly anything else that is on this list. So you want to make sure that you choose correctly. Now, my first source is from a newspaper. However, I did not use the actual newspaper in my hands. I actually was on the website for the newspaper. So even though I have the choice of newspaper, I'm going to click on website and I'll show you why in just a few minutes. So now I'm going to go and generate my citation. I'm going to go back to my article and I'm going to copy my link. And under website, I'm going to paste it and click search. When I scroll down, I see that's the name of my article. I see that the link is there. And so I'm going to click on Cite. Now this is really important that you review the information. Okay. I'm going to make sure that all of that is accurate. I know when I go back to my article that my date of my article was May 27th, 2020. And when I go and look at that, it pulled that information. Now I need to finalize. Okay, it says finalize website details. I have my the title of my article. However, I did catch a mistake. So my author's name, if I go back and look, my author's name is Mickey Powell, and Mickey Powell writes for the Winchester Star. When EasyBib pulled my author, it thought Mickey Powell, the Winchester Star, was the author's name. So I need to go back and I need to change that because the first name is Mickey and the last name is Powell. Okay, I'm going to make sure that all of this information is correct and I'm going to click on Complete Citation. So now when I scroll down, I see my citation highlighted in green. And I'm just going to double check that everything is there. I have my author's name, I have the name of the article, I have who published it, the name of the newspaper, and I have the date. What's really important here is I also have the link to the website, to the article, so that if I'm reading your argument essay and I need some more information, I can click on that link and go and look at that website. Okay, as well as your teachers, right? Your teachers are going to click and make sure that the information is accurate. So there are many reasons why you have a works cited page. I wanted to show you though, prior to clicking on website, I made a citation under newspaper because it's from a newspaper. And the information is correct. However, you see, it does not give me that link. So it makes me believe that you or myself used an actual newspaper here and not a website. So that's why it's really important that even though my information is coming from a newspaper, because it was published online, I'm going to click website. If you used Time Magazine online, you're going to click website and it's going to create a source that looks like this versus one down here that doesn't have the link. So now all I have to do is I'm going to copy the correct citation. I don't need that. And I'm going to go into my argument essay, and on my final page, my works cited page, I'm going to paste what I just copied. And so now, as your reader reads through your argument essay, and they get to that last page, they're able to see where all of your sources came from.